Audio Jungle.
Since the modern era of the Dodge Challenger and Charger came to market back in the mid-2000s, every modern Mopar muscle car has been built at the Brampton Assembly Plant in Canada. Back in mid-December, production of the final model year of this era of the Challenger and Charger began as the crews in Brampton stopped building 2022 model year vehicles and began building 2023 models. According to comments made by brand officials earlier this year, these cars will be built through the end of December 2023, leading to a production run of nearly 13 months. The 2023 model year will be the last for the current generation of the Dodge Challenger and Charger, but brand boss Tim Kuniskis is making sure that these legendary muscle cars do not go quietly into the night. There have already been 6 special last call models, 3 Challengers and 3 Chargers, with one more to be introduced in March. The Challenger gets the Shakedown, Swinger and Black Ghost packages, while Charger buyers can select the Super B, Swinger or King Daytona packages. The 7th and final last call car was teased at Dodge Speed Week in the form of a Challenger under a cover, suggesting that the final special edition package will apply to a Challenger, but we do not know for sure. When you combine these standard production models with the last call models listed above, 2023 will be the final year for this era of the Dodge Charger, but it will also be the most diverse, the most powerful, and those cars are being built right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.